It was $10 at Target. I finally found some at Target. Yay! Let's open it and see what we get. And I will probably buy more since they're now at Target. Alright, we're starting off with Agumon. Yeah! Alright, what's his name? Diatrimon, Lionamon, or Lilamon, or whatever. Neodebimon, sweet. Alright, Tubimon, Tankdramon, which I like. Falcomon. Ooh, nice. Kindogururumon. One of my favorites. Devoramon, stay back, kins. Ooh, Bancho Golemon. Look at that thing. That looks cool. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Orchimon. Orochimon? I don't know how to say that. And Tide, yellow. Yeah, alright. Cool. And then here's the black deck. Here we go, the black deck. Here's the rules on how to play. 1, 2, 3, 4. I dropped my Digi-Egg. Alright, Jasmine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Black Agumon. I mean, Agumon in black, not actually black Agumon. 4, which, man, dude, yeah, Toy Agumon. Sweet. Alright. Ooh, Commandramon. I have some Commandramons. I might add them to this deck because they actually do something better than those 4. Ooh, Black Greymon. He actually looks black in this one. Alright, stay back, please. Stay back, please. Jazzermon.
Okay.
Shh.
How?
Dark Tyrannomon. Sweet.
Okay.
I cannot wait to play with this deck. Metal Greymon. 4. Metal Tyrannomon. 2,
Yeah.
Probably.
And metal 40.
Why is there only 2 Tyrannomon then? Whatever.
I don't know.
Dark Tyrannomon.
And metal.
Hey, quiet. Megdramon. Alright. Machine Dramon. Oops, sorry. Now you saw what my thing was. Please stay back, buddy.
Okay.
Alright, Blitz Greymon. Look at that thing. Cute. The Black Tyke. Kiyomachi. 4. Alright, Laser Eye. 4 probably. And Dark Side Attack. 2. Yeah, there's definitely some black cards I'm going to be putting in here. But alright, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Sorry, my head's kind of cut out. I just have a bad angle. Peace. Alright, so I took out a few cards and put Omnimon in. Let's see, what else did I put in? I took out, and I put some Tankmons in. It's Agumon. Put that in. That is a nice card. Put these guys in to go with these guys. And let's see. Oh, I put Sunamon in for level 3s. I didn't really like the pterodactyl looking ones. Oh, and I put this in for the last level 4 that I took out. The Tankmons to go with that level 4. I took out one of these, I think, and put in, and I totally did what I didn't want to do and accidentally knocked over my stack. Yeah, I took out the Tazemons, but I put this tie in. Wait, no, sorry. Put that tie in. Put that tie in. Oh yeah, and then I made room for this guy. So.